Hello everyone, my name is Aitya and welcome back to this course. It's day 2 and we're going to be creating the listen function now. So create a file called listen.py and then now import speech recognition as SR. So what we're doing is that we're just turning this into SR so that we don't have to type this hellish long word. So now def listen R is equal to SR dot recognizer with SR dot microphone uh, as source. Print listen listening sorry listening. Then R dot pause threshold is equal to 1. Audio is equal to R dot listen and then source comma 0 comma 4. Then try print recognizing query is equal to R dot let's what is it? Yeah, recognize Google. So what we're actually doing here, it's not completed, but let me just explain. So here we're importing this module speech recognition as SR, and then we're defining a function called listen, and in this R is equal to speech recognition as SR. So SR dot speech recognition as recognizer, so we'll be recognizing our voice, and then SR dot microphone as source. So I'll be using this. Basically, it's quite easy to understand, but if you still don't understand, I'm explaining it properly. Uh, we're using this microphone as our source. Quite simple. And then we're printing listening. We're printing listening over here. And r dot pause threshold will be pausing for 1 second. And then audio is equal to r dot listen source. So this is our source. And then this. Wait, yeah. This this is our timeout, I think. Like after 4 seconds, it's gonna be closed. And then try. By closed, I mean is that let's stop listening. And then try. And try we have print recognizing query is equal to r dot recognize Google. And then inside of here, we'll be putting audio and language is equal to English. I'm doing India because my voice is Indian. I sometimes say English Indian. Sorry, Indian English, and my voice is kind of like Indian, so that's why I'm using this. But it won't matter if you speak Indian English, you can use this. If you speak US English, you can use something else. I'm not sure. I think was it. I'm not sure. But if you want to change the language, I think for Hindi it's HI. For English, as you know, EN. There are different codes. I rather like if you want to change this like English, you want to change it to like something like Germany. I recommend going into the web and then searching that because there are like hundreds of them, hundreds of these codes. You can use them. Then we're gonna be print, and now we're gonna be printing what we said. Query. Let's put like you accept return str query query dot lower. So this is our function is done. So we're printing what you said, and then if this does not run, I'll be doing nothing. So it'll just return nothing, and then query is equal to str query. So it's just converting the query that we said, like whatever we said, it's just going to be converting it into str. So it's going to converting it into string, and now we can test it out. Listen. Oh yeah, sorry. Hello, Jarvis. Okay, there's a problem I see. What's the problem? Uh, let me put it in a while true. Maybe it'll work. Hello, Jarvis. Hello. Okay, I think there's some kind of problem. Hello. Hello. I think it's because I'm recording, but this should work. This should work. I've tested it out before. It did work. It should work. I think it's because I'm recording. It's not working. So we have two functions done. So you might be thinking like this is broken. This is not a function done. This is a function done, but it's not working because I'm recording. It will work for you. If you don't have a mic, it won't work, of course. But if you do have a mic, you can test it out. It will work. So we have two functions done. Next, we'll be doing the brain. It's going to be our neural network. So have a nice day. I'll see you later.